Going on, guys? Got a GE dishwasher, and the work order is the dishwasher won't drain, and it's also full of bubbles. Looks like there's something in there too. Don't know what that is. Let's see if we can get it to drain. Looks like it's draining pretty good to me. Alright. See if we can get it to bubble up here. Oh yeah, looks like somebody used the wrong detergent. Alright, well, the best way I've found to get rid of the soap bubbles, some coffee creamer. Just throw a little bit of this in there. Now we'll turn it back on and see if they're going. Alright, still got some. It's looking better though. Alright, we've got most of the water drained out. There's a little bit of suds down there, so we'll sprinkle a little more coffee creamer in here. Alright, let that fill up and run for a cycle here. Alright, it's filled up and it's been running for probably about 2 minutes. Let's check it out. No more suds. It's all going. Go ahead and drain it. Alright, that's one way to get rid of suds in the dishwasher. Just use any brand of coffee creamer, and it's safe on your dishes and all that. I mean, I know you can use like spa defoamer. It's another good thing to use. I just stick with this because It's something that, you know, we put in our food and drinks. Well, our drinks and our food, but it's edible, I guess. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.